It's waiting outside, outside. It's our moment for us to shine bright in adventures and babysitting, in babysitting.
Hey guys, I'm Addison. I'm Amelia. I'm Avery. Today we're going to be making tornado bottles, DIYs, and help saving the sea turtles. We have been recycling water bottles for this DIY so we can save the sea turtles. And I'm going to do the S. Let's get started. So first, you can get like paint or anything. Like you can get some eyeballs. That's just what we have, and some Swedish fish. Also, first we're gonna put some paint in. So everybody gets some paint. Put paint in, Avery. Pick your paint. Mix the paint up. Whoa! Can you put the lid on? Whoa! It looks like an ocean. Now you can just like add anything you want. Yeah, you can add some more paint if you want. Yeah, to make a different color. Avery added blue to make green and some snowflakes. And now I'm going to add this puffball, pom-pom, whatever this guy's called. I'm going to put some of these Swedish fish. And in you go. Hey guys, this is the finished product. Hey guys, it's just gonna be us right now. We're gonna be making some sand art, and Avery can't do it because it says 6 and up, and I'm 7 and she's 9. Okay, so let's get to it, and I'm gonna be using Avery's mat because mine's really messy. So let's get to it. Let's open our box. Having a blast here. Look, literally, it's a blast. It's a blast. Looks like a blast. Looks like paint. Yeah. Look how good. Look at how good it is on the box. Look how bad it is in real life. Yeah. Only have a tiny bit of black. I think they just photoshopped it. Yeah. And it's supposed to be sand art. Yeah. It's paint. Yeah. Maybe the sand melted. Sand can't melt. Yeah, it can't. Why'd they even make it? I'll give it to someone. And I made it. There's nothing inside of it. So, I'm going to come back and do Okay. So, bye. 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 Remember to like and subscribe again.